Hey y'all, it's Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas. Excuse our mess and the echo. As you can see, I'm in the process of moving my studio back to the store. I told y'all we were gonna do that. I got tired of being at home. So we're gonna go over how to use the Fashionflex heat sensitive. Now last week we did a full tutorial on the light sensitive, which both the light sensitive and the heat sensitive are our weekly wow sale for this week. So they're typically $7 each for the 12 by 19 inch pieces. This week they're on sale for $5.95. And there are 4 colors in the Fashionflex heat sensitive. There's red, there's blue, there's orange, and then what we're gonna be using today is the black. So, I did upload this file that we are using to our Patreon page for our $10 a month patrons, or more patrons. This is a commercial use file. Need to hold on to that. And that is my instructions. So as you can see, this weeds just like your typical Thermoflex Plus. It's nothing difficult to use. So where you're gonna see some difference is on how you wash it. And this will work on all your cotton, uncoated polyester, and fabric blends. This does not work on nylon, which is not unusual. So you're gonna heat this at 300 degrees for 8 to 12 seconds on a medium pressure. So pretty normal. You're gonna peel it while it's warm. Now, this is gonna be different for washing because you're gonna wash inside out with cold water and tumble dry. So no heat, because it's kind of like, do you remember, if you're older like I am, back in the 90s they had hypercolor t-shirts, which over time after washing and drying them, it would stay the wrong color. But if you took care of them properly, it would last forever. So it's kind of along those lines. And then the light sensitive that we did the tutorial on last week, that is sunlight activated. So these are something really unique and really cool. So if you're doing this for a business, this is definitely something that can help bring your business up to the next level. There we go. I'll pick that up after a while. Okie dokie. But I mean, as you can see, this is a big file, so that's part of the reason why it took a little longer to weed. It's not anything super duper difficult. And the press is preheated to 300 degrees. And it says, "I'm not a hot mess, I'm a spicy disaster," which is kind of how I feel today. And all of the tools that you see, like the Easy Weed and Wooden Pick, the t-shirt guide, and the Teflon sheet are available on my website. Naughty, you walk around here, you don't want to get hit by the heat press? No. So, that doesn't, I don't need it. Okay, so we're gonna lay out our t-shirt guide, just like normal. I have a 16 by 20 inch press, so I am using the 16 inch t-shirt guide. Take my design, fold it in half, just like always, and then line that up with our center mark. There we go. Remove the t-shirt guide. You can already see, because the shirt was hot from the heat press over it, how it's getting warm. That's so cool. We're gonna take and lay the Teflon sheet over it. And what's cool about this too is, you know, it's summer, so you step outside and it is so hot. So we're gonna heat this for 12 seconds, just like normal. Well, actually it's a little less than normal. Normal we do 15. But, you know, you can judge how hot it is outside by how much your shirt changes. But look at that, change straight to white. Okay. Now, one thing I always do, take and recover. And heat again just for a few seconds. This is what I like to do to make sure everything is nice and adhered. now it is done. Look how cute that looks. Now ignore the difference in the shirt and where it's been under the heat press and the temperature. Red shirts, and this is something to tell you anyway, red shirts, when they get hot, they get dark. As soon as it cools off though, it turns back to normal. But look how adorable that came out. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down below. We post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and Tuesdays are our lives. But I guess that's it. Don't forget to check me out on all my social media, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram. But I guess that's it. Bye.